just want to show y'all what I'm cooking today. I got a little cold, so excuse my voice. I've been sick for about 3 or 4 days. Okay, so I got my pig feet right here. I'm gonna chop that up. I got my pig tail right here. And I got some beef tripe. So I'm about to make Mexican soup. Y'all know I mix with the Mexican community. They like us, man. We the same. We eat the same foods as everybody. But yeah, I'm gonna make this soup. It's called Menudo soup. We're gonna get our soup going. I'm gonna show y'all how it goes as we go along, so y'all can follow me in this nice recipe. All right, I'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all. So I cut all my tripe up and cut it into like small pieces. This is the honeycomb tripe. Cut it into small pieces, and I'm about to add this into the water. It's just salt water in here, so y'all know how I do. And I'm just gonna empty my tripe in there like that. 2 hours. This gonna go for 2 hours in the salt water. Just cleaning. Then we'll add our seasonings next. So get us 2 hours, guys, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so I've been had this going on medium heat for about an hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, it's been like an hour, 20 minutes on my. They still not tender. I'm about to pour all this water off. And I'm about to put some fresh water on here and re-season it. And I'm gonna let it go on high for a little while. So, yep, there go my tripe. There go my pig tail. And my pig feet. And I'm about to probably try to slice these up a little bit. I'll let y'all know what I do next. But I'm gonna show y'all my seasonings and when I put my stuff in my water. Yeah, in my clean water. So I'm about to drain this water off. Put me some clean water and season my water, and I'll show y'all how I do that. Alright. So here are the seasonings and stuff I'm putting in. This is not the traditional way, so don't mind my way. I chopped my pigtails up because I'm gonna put them in like the last 30 minutes because I like my pigtails not too soft. I like them kind of, you know, tender, not tender, but kind of chewy. So they already half done. I cooked them for an hour. I chopped my pig feet up, so I cut them into like threes. And it was 3 pig feet, so I cut them into like 3, so it's 9 pieces of pig feet in there. Plus the so I'm just gonna season this. I'm gonna add my seasonings that I just showed y'all in. So now we're gonna let it go 2 hours. I'm gonna season and I'll show y'all how it look when I get all my seasonings in. So every seasoning I just showed y'all, that's what's about to go in here. All right, I'm gonna do two bay leaves. I'm gonna add my whole onion, as you can see. Just gonna drop it in just like that. I'm gonna add about this much garlic. That might equal to about 4 cloves. 1 bouillon cube. I'll just drop that in there like that. My Saison packet. Like that. So I'm gonna drop my, this is not Menudo mix, but it's ground pepper. It's just a regular pepper, so it's not spicy. That's kind of good though. Now, I'm gonna do a half a bag of Mexican oregano. Just a half of this bag, I guess. We're gonna do that much. We're gonna do that much, not a half a bag. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little salt. A little salt like that. And that should do it. We're gonna let this go for 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. We're gonna let this go on medium high for 2 hours. Got that honeycomb tripe in there. We got the pig feet. I'm good. And we're gonna let that cook down. So I'll fish all of this out in a little while. Well, in 2 hours. And y'all see how I cut my pig feet up. Okie dokie. I shall be back and show y'all when it's almost done. All right, be back. So y'all know when I tasted it, something was a little off. So I added some of my tomato bouillon. It's like a bouillon cube, so, but it's just chicken flavor, tomato flavor. So yeah, I added like a maybe a tablespoon or 2 of this, maybe 2 tablespoons of this. So to give it a little more razzle dazzle, you know, I just added a couple of spoons of that. Now we're gonna let that come to a boil, and I shall be back, guys. All right. Okay, I forgot I did add some cilantro. The cilantro is like a garnish on top of it, but I put a little bit inside of my soup. So I seen somebody do that on one of the videos. So yeah, we just gonna try and see what it tastes like. All right, be back. So y'all, it's been going for an hour. I was supposed to take that onion out, but it's done fell apart. So there is the meat. Most of it is tender. The pig feet is very tender. So I'm gonna let that go. It's been going an hour. So now I'm gonna add back my pigtails. Let them go for 1 hour. Excuse me. I'm gonna let them go for 1 hour. Look at that deep red flavor. It's got y'all so good. Let them go for another hour. And then we're gonna add our hominy. I'm gonna let this go for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my hominy in. And I'll show y'all when I do that. I'm gonna let them get a little tender. In 30 minutes, I'm gonna add my hominy. So I'll be back in 30. Alrighty. I'm draining 3. How many ounces? 15-ounce cans. And I'm gonna rinse this. We're gonna rinse this, and then I'm gonna show y'all something else that I saw this lady do. Like a handful. Yeah. I'm gonna add about a handful here now. And I'm gonna let that go for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the rest at the end. So it's gonna get a little creamy, y'all. Supposedly. We shall see. So this gonna go for an hour. Well, 30 minutes. And then I add the rest for 30 minutes. So it'll be 1 hour total left on the cook time. And that is it, y'all. I'm gonna add the other hominy in 30 minutes. And I will be back. Don't that look good? So y'all know me in my mind. I just decided to dump all of it in there. And let it go for 1 more hour. We're gonna just let that go 1 hour. Yes. Hominy so good. Hominy already done, so. Yeah. 1 more hour, y'all. It's gonna be ready. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So this is the end. It is done. This is how it looked. And there's a lot of steam. To show y'all mine because I garnished it already. So hold on. So this is mine, y'all. I added some onion and cilantro to the top of mine. And I'm gonna squeeze a little lime on here, and that is it, y'all. This is my soup. This is it, y'all. Oh, it's hot. Got honey in there. The beef tripe. Pig feet. That's it, y'all. I'm about to put some, y'all excuse my kids in the background. Yeah, arguing about nothing. I'm about to add some lime to this, and that is it, y'all. So that's it. I will see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Bye.